Hey everybody, it's Nettie. I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about something that I think is totally revolutionary. That is FutureNet. Yes, FutureNet. Have you guys heard of FutureNet? It is one of the newest kids on the block on the social media platform block, and it is rocking it out the park. And I'll tell you why. Because it pays you to be on it. Yes, it pays you to be on it. A la YouTube, okay? A la Amazon, that has created a platform that allows others to come on and make money. FutureNet pays you. Yes. So I just want to take you through a quick test drive of the system. I just really got into it in January. Okay. So I haven't been in it that long, but it is very, very much like Facebook. Okay. Now you see me up here, Nettie Morris, my picture. Okay. And this is like the news feed. Well, no, this is the news feed. This is my profile. Okay. So these are things that I've either posted or shared. Okay. So very similar, folks, very similar. And then there is a home screen. Okay. Let's see if I can pull that up. And the home screen, has stuff that I have put on it and that my friends have put on it. Okay. So got a few friends so far. I'm going to show you guys my friends list. Right now, I think I only have about 79. Okay. 79 friends. And I can go click on their profile, right? And it will bring up them, their profile page. And then I could go into their friends list and instantly start adding people to me, okay? This little man with a plus sign or woman, however you think about it, click on that and that will send a friend request for me. So it's very user-friendly from that standpoint. Extremely user-friendly. Yes, it's very user-friendly. And not only is it user-friendly, okay, it has other legs to it. Now, you can also become a member of FutureNet and make money through that way, all right? And they have several different levels. From as low as $10, okay, all the way up to buying in at the $1,000 level. So as I understand it, and I'm still very new into this, you start out here at $10, then you progress up, you add in 25, add in 50, and so forth and so on. And I'm not knowledgeable enough to talk about it, but what I can tell you is that you can make potentially, now there are no guarantees, even at the $10 level, up to $44,000. All right. Now, I will come back on later and bring the information as to how that is done. But I want you guys to just wrap your minds around at the moment that you can make big money with this, okay? Big money. Now, FutureNet also has a shopping component to it. So as you can see here, they got Groupon. You could book a hotel, a flight. You could do shopping. Let's just take a look at that. My internet's moving a little slow, guys. So here, with the shopping platform, right? They've even hooked up with eBay. Everybody knows about eBay. Amazon, all right? So it's not just a social media platform. It is taking social to the next level. Social to the next level. I mean, getting into even more aspects of our life and also allowing you to make money off of their platform. So what do I want to show you next, guys? I want to show you the back office, right? Because they have FutureNet, Future Ad Pro. All of these are work together in a way. And with Future Ad Pro, you have to watch ads. So you got to watch at least 10 ads a day. And you can make money from that. So as you can see, today I've only watched 2. All right. I'm qualified to later in the day. All right. Because I watched 10 yesterday. And so I need to watch 10 today. And every day, as I understand it, you want to come in here and watch ads and you can make money off of that. Now you can also buy what they call ad packs, right? There's the $10 ad pack and the $50 ad pack. Now, I'm not going to be, tell you guys, oh, I'm an expert. I'm not. But what I can tell you is I've seen enough people, enough videos, enough lives of where people have bought a $50 ad pack, okay, as an initial investment. And one lady, for 2 years of time, she said she was on FutureNet, not really doing anything on it, very passive. She had invited people to come on, and lo and behold, she ended up, over those 2 years, raking in $120 something thousand. And she showed her back office. I've seen people show thousands upon thousands of dollars in their back office. I don't have that yet because I just joined, like, let's just say a week ago. All right? But I know the potential is there. So if you think this is as cool as I think it is, please leave a comment in the comment section. I want to know, do you think that this may overtake Facebook? Because look, Facebook just came out and said that they're banning all cryptocurrency ads. And when I heard that, I said to myself, they're writing the end. They're writing their ticket to death, okay? Because crypto is not going anywhere, all right? It may change form, but the concept is just so phenomenal, it's not going anywhere. Now, if you're interested in getting into FutureNet, it's free, guys. It's free 99, free 99 for you to get on here and to start making friends, to start making connections, to start putting your message out, to start telling anybody and everybody globally about what you're passionate about, if it's business, if it's flowers, if it's music, if it's poetry, okay? The world is yours because there are only 2 million people on it right now. So you and I are like, pioneers on a new frontier. So if you want to join me on this frontier, I'm going to put my link down in the description and let's do it. Let's make a splash over here on FutureNet. And I will be doing more videos about FutureNet and telling you guys more in depth about it. Take care. Bye-bye.